Hi, I'm Melina Macdonald and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be talking about an ancient skin detox called Guasha. Now the Guasha is very simple. We've got only 2 ingredients: bicarb soda, make sure this is aluminium free, and triple distilled vodka. This is all you need to make this very simple skin detox. Now this was used by the ancient Asians, Egyptians and Greeks. So if they've been using it, you know it's that old, it really does work. Now you're asking, why would I actually do a Guasha wash? Well, for any of you that suffer from having rashes or psoriasis on your skin, this absolutely gets rid of it. All the creams that we've got out there, they're very topical and they're just a band-aid. But I used to suffer from psoriasis. Once I started using this, it worked like a charm. So I'm going to give you simple instructions of what you need. So firstly, you need these 2 ingredients. The third thing that you need is you need a sealable container, and one that's big enough that you can actually put your hand inside it, because we're going to pop this into the shower. We're going to do a mix. We're going to do 75% bicarb soda, and we're going to literally pour on top of it so it's a couple of centimeters above the vodka, and start mixing it through, and it's going to come up like a paste. Now, Loofer, I highly recommend you get one of these, and all I do is give a scoop that's about probably a teaspoon, pop it on and loofah my body, and I use this all over, including on my face. The reality is that whether it's the products that you're putting on your skin or it's the air that's outside, we're supposed to be releasing a couple of liters of toxins every day, and that's not happening. So with this detox, we're removing things like parasites and mold, yeast and fungus, and petrochemicals. All of these are in the air. So with this skin detox, you're actually getting all of that off your skin. Trust me, this is magic. So what do I suggest you do afterwards? If you can, do 15 to 20 minutes front and back in the sun. Yes, the sun is good for you. What we're being taught about the sun is incorrect, and I'm not telling you to put sunscreen on either. What I do afterwards is I use organic coconut oil, and I like to put a bit of a scent in mine, and I use this as a body lotion all over, including my face, and I put that all over. And then if it's early morning or if it's later in the afternoon when the sun's not, because everyone's skin is different, when the sun's not as powerful, you know, just go in the sun and you'll find this will completely transform your body. I'd say it's a secret, but it's not. It's thousands of years old, which is why I do it. Bicarb, so this particular Guasha wash, I would do it for 2 weeks every single day, and then after that 2 to 3 times per week. That's all you really need to do. Do the wash, do the organic oil afterwards. Once a month, you can use your extra virgin olive oil and put that all over your body. So make sure when you are buying this, you want to get it in a dark container, because the lighter containers actually allow the sun to penetrate and it's not as pure. So that is what the Guasha wash is. Enjoy. Can't wait to hear how this transforms your life like it's transformed mine. Thanks for coming into my kitchen. Until next time, it's bye from me.